Now let's take an example of sympatric speciation. We agreed that sympatric speciation takes place with no geographical barrier, but it includes ecological or behavioral separation. Imagine there is a species of fish that lives in a lake. Some individuals within the population feed on the bottom, while others remain higher up in the open water. The different feeding behaviors separates the population into different environments. And this is an example of behavioral separation that leads to ecological separation. Now, the separated groups may experience different selection pressures, such as the long jaws are advantageous for bottom feeding, whereas the shorter jaws are advantages for mid-water feeding. Over time, natural selection causes the population to diverge and evolve different phenotypes, so they can no longer interbreed as they are separate species.